Hey everyone, this is Christopher Terry, CEO of iMarkets Live, and tonight we're looking at the USD CAD 1 hour chart. And what I like about this down here is it had uh, the one drive, two drives, three drives to end the swing. So a lot of times what you get is this. You get that 1, 2, 3 bounce, higher low, up. So what I'd like to see here is this. Got the bottom, right? Came up, right? So, right, long leg. I'd like to see it push down a little bit and then put your buy order right here. So if we pull back a little bit and then trade up, it enters here and your risk goes here. So let's just look at this one more time. So on the actual chart is right now, if this market can come down a bit, I don't care how much, just starts to look like that. All right, that's enough for us to say, okay, if the market turns back up, enter here and put your risk down here, right below this area. So technically, this was the actual entry of the pattern, but it spiked down there too quick, and whoever's watching it, by the time you looked at it, it jumped up, or maybe you weren't looking at it. So that's what I would like to see with the USD CAD. The more aggressive approach is it literally just to buy in here, maybe half, okay? Half of your position. The other half of it comes down here. You could do that, all right? So, but regardless, your stop is down here, right below here, okay? Let's take a look at Ethereum real quick, all right? Ethereum. So Ethereum's been basically just consolidating off that huge run up that it had. All right. So this is normal, what you're seeing here. Okay, forget those spikes. This is normal, what you're seeing. This is a bullish flag pattern. All right, you're getting that consolidation. All right, and eventually this should trade a lot higher. So this is normal consolidation within a trend, and it should ultimately trade higher. So I like the Ethereum, and Bitcoin was another one we watched. Basically, we had some time and price that we had mentioned right in here. See that? And we mentioned uh, here, I think it was here, right inside here, and right in there. Okay? So time and price is now kicking in. What we're seeing, let me see if I could show you time, right? There we go. So you're taking your swing lows, swing highs, swing lows, swing highs. You're basically doing that, and you're extending out time. So if you watch my last video, you know that. I'm not going to do it tonight, but we also have lows to highs, retracement, low to high, retracement, low, high, extension, and then we're looking at also these vertical moves, and that suggests time. So what that means is market from here to here took so much time, and then from there to there, we're expecting it to go that much more in a Fibonacci ratio. And we look at how time lines up. I'll do a class on that one night, but not tonight. I just wanted to get into it and just tell you what I'm looking at. Bitcoin, again, large rally up, bang, 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 consolidation, it should go higher, all right? If it starts to fail, this 9,000, that's a problem, okay? You don't want to fail the 9,000. If it does, that's a problem. All bets are off. Above the 9,000, market's been holding, it's been spiking, been holding, and I'm liking it, all right? 10,000 is the big round number. Remember what we talked about in the past, is big round numbers up here. See how it hit? 13, backed off. But I feel this market should get back up to at least halfway between here, here, here. At least the next swing should bring us about 15,000 or so. Other than that, My name is Christopher Terry. Have yourself a nice day, a nice rest of the week. I just came back. I was down in Miami, Florida, doing some business, and I'm going to be in Utah this weekend with Brandon Boyd. Looking forward to doing that event out there. If you have any, let me see. Hold on. Okay, I was looking for the information, but maybe we'll ask Gerard to email it out to everybody, or just ask you up. I'm doing an event in Utah, in Salt Lake City, with Brandon Boyd this weekend. I'm looking forward to that, and Kevin Jones, I believe, will be out there. So let's have ourselves an amazing trading day. But this will be my last transmission for the week. I'll be back on Tuesday, which I'll do my next video. So other than that, have yourself just a great rest of the week.